Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. This is my 18th video related with this ratio analysis, solvency ratio. Today I am going to discuss the solvency ratio related with this interest coverage ratio. Solvency ratio, that is interest coverage ratio. This ratio establishes the relationship between net profit before tax and interest on long-term debt. Net profit before interest and tax and interest on long-term debts. Long-term debts means that the debt we are taking for long-term purposes. That means the net period is more than 12 months. So that type of long-term debts interest, how much this particular company can pay off this amount of interest with the available profit of the company or not. So the main objective of calculating this ratio is to ascertain or find out the amount of profit available to cover interest on long-term debt. A particular company's the profit is available to pay off this interest on long-term debt. For that purpose, we are calculating interest coverage ratio. So, profit before interest and tax we have to find out divided by interest on long-term debt. Through an example, I will make you understand how to calculate this interest coverage ratio. In this question, calculate net coverage, interest coverage ratio. Net profit after tax. Net profit after tax, that is 1,20,000. 12% long-term debt, that is rupees 20 lakhs. Tax rate 40%. So net profit after tax given 1,20,000. But what we need a net profit before tax and interest we need. For calculating the interest, that long-term debt, that percentage is given 12%. 12% long-term debt means the rate of interest is 12%. So from that we can calculate interest. Then tax rate 40% given. So from that hint we can calculate the actual net profit before tax. Net profit after tax given in the question, that is 1,20,000. But what we need net profit before interest and tax. So you assume net profit before tax is equal to 100. Net profit before tax is equal to 100. Then tax rate given in the question, tax 40%. So after tax, before tax 100, tax 40%, then after tax is equal to 60. After tax is equal to 60. I hope you understood. That means net profit after tax given 1,20,000. But what we need a net profit before interest and tax. So you assume net profit before tax is equal to 100. And tax rate given in the question, that is 40%. So the net profit after tax is equal to 60%. Net profit after tax 60% means 1,20,000. That value given in the question. So 60% representing 1,20,000. But what we need a net profit before tax. Net profit before tax is equal to 1,20,000 divided by 60% representing 1,20,000. What we need a 100%. 100% means net profit before tax is equal to, that is 60. This 1,20,000. Then net profit that before tax is equal to 2 lakhs. So net profit before tax is equal to 2 lakhs. Then next one, 12% long-term debt. 12% long-term debt, that rupees 20 lakhs. This 20 lakhs rupees that company took from debentures or from any other long term that lenders at a 12% interest. 12% long term means rate of interest is 12%. So interest we can calculate. So interest is equal to 20 lakhs into that 12%. That means 12 by 100. So 20 lakhs 12%, that means 2 lakhs 40,000. 2 lakhs 40,000. So net profit before tax 2 lakhs and interest 2 lakhs 40,000. But what we need a net profit before interest and tax. So these two values add together, then you will get net profit before interest and tax. That means 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 40,000. Net profit before tax 2 lakhs, interest 2 lakhs 40,000. So net profit before interest and tax is equal to 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs 40,000. That means 4 lakhs 40,000. 4 lakhs 40,000 net profit before interest and tax. Then interest on long term debt. Interest 2 lakhs 40,000. Interest 2 lakhs 40,000. So interest coverage ratio is equal to 1.83 times. 1.83 times. So this is the interest coverage ratio. That means for pay of this 2 lakhs 40,000 interest, this particular company has 4 lakh 40,000 rupees profit before this interest and tax. That means this company can easily pay off this interest on long term debt. And I hope you understood this calculations. I will come with more videos related with this interest coverage ratio. Until then, bye.